Jethro Cook's going to get our birthday list started right there because he's turning the big number 2. Big dinosaur fan as well. Happy birthday, Mr. Jethro in Lamar.
I like you found a giant pumpkin to sit on there. That's pretty cool. Stormy Essam celebrating birthday number 4 this year. Hope it's a great one, Stormy.
Avery Rimillard celebrating her smiling 5th birthday. Avery, I want you to have a marvelous day. Miss Avery's in Lamar.
And in Frontenac, Max Zafuda turning 6 years old. Happy birthday, Max.
What up, Max? Raider Nation, my bad. Draxton Stewart celebrating his 6th birthday. Draxton, he's out in Bronson.
Oh, what a cutie there. All right, and we've got McKenna Mivas celebrating 7 strong this year. She's ready for Team Halloween. She's on Team Halloween. In Moraine, Kansas, she's a 1st grader at Marmonton Valley.
Yeah, McKenna, I like that shirt. That's cool. Zach Coonrod, he is now 12. Is that trip out to Arrowhead? Mm-hmm. I think so. Happy birthday, Zach, in Pittsburgh.
Sophie Krumsick celebrating birthday number 13 this year. Welcome to the teenage years in Joplin.
We're going to split the difference. Like Michael Westhoff, we're bringing him back on because his birthday is tomorrow. It wasn't yesterday, so we're going to do it today. Michael, I might do your birthday on Monday too. I don't know. I might just do it all next week. Who knows, my man? Happy 14th to Michael and the bird.
All right, happy birthday, Michael. And here's PHH Dragons number 42, Andrew O'Darty, celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Andrew, obviously, is in Pittsburgh.
Celebrating a 20th birthday this weekend is going to be Lexi Black. A happy birthday with love from the family, Lexi. She's in Carthage, a junior right now at the Yours to Lose program at Missouri Southern.
All right.
Little Led Zeppelin t-shirt there.
Like it. And we've got Megan Fisher celebrating birthday number 21 this year in Jasper. Hope it's a great one, Megan.
Drop into Everton, Missouri, where Aston Cox is celebrating her 22nd birthday. That's a cool picture right there. Happy birthday, Aston.
Johnny Cartwright turning 40 years old this year. Happy birthday to Johnny in Webb City.
Got a 60th birthday for Bart Cheney. Happy birthday to Bart as he celebrates in Erie.
Terry Olson turning 62 years old this year in Garnett, Kansas. Happy birthday, Terry.
In Parsons, Rob Monty. Happy birthday to Mr. Rob right there. I'd like to see what is just below that picture. You know what I'm saying? It looks like a dollar sign. I don't know what that is.
I think it is. I'm trying to see. And is that like one of those fake cigar things? I don't know. It's like those little picture fun things that you hold up.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Rob.
All right, and we've got Amy Wade celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Hope it's a great one, Amy.
J Squared, James Jacobs. A very happy birthday to James in Iola. Whoa. Straight out of money baseball, Dad. James, I want that shirt. That is good.
No doubt, right?
Understood, my man.
Somebody
Understood.
recognizes.
I haven't seen that shirt before. That's good. That is good. You want to say straight out of money softball, Dad? I wear that in a heartbeat.
We love our kids, but
that's great.
Sometimes the things they support can get expensive.
That shirt's great because I understand it.
A lot of parents can relate to that. All right. And we've got Jackie Scott celebrating. That's a nice family Christmas picture there. Jackie's celebrating a year wiser in Cherokee.
That was a great picture. Dora Alexander, we're going to come back and celebrate Miss Dora again. Because she's not 102, she's 103.
I was going to say yesterday we had her at 102.
We did. So
we missed one, Dora.
Dora,
so sorry.
we did not mean to cheat you a year. 2020's been long enough as it is. I understand wanting to celebrate 103. Happy birthday, Dora.
I was just thinking, Dora, you're looking great at 102. You're looking even better at 103. Love it. Jason and Kelly Wells are celebrating their 21st anniversary this year. What a great picture of the Wells. Congrats going out to Jason and Kelly in Columbus.
Now, coming up this weekend, Tony and Gail Irwin, they're celebrating their 45th anniversary. And this is with love from the entire family. Congratulations, Tony and Gail.
Right, and we've got Jerry and Dorothy Van Leeuwen celebrating their 65th anniversary. A wonderful picture of the Van Leeuwens there in St. Paul. Congratulations.
Mark Aliff runs the old Maple Leaf City out there. Carthage Chamber of Commerce president and the CEO. I come up with it. We got to call him what? Can we just call him the King of Carthage?
Sure.
There he is. Happy birthday, Mr. Mark.
All right.
Who that is?
Our very own Mr. Daniel Rennie, MCO.
Love that dude.
Yeah, right here at KOAM. Daniel Rennie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daniel. Larry Hyatt is celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Marianne Burke, a happy birthday in the Knack. And Scott Saya, a happy birthday to you in Joplin. Jeff Scott, he is celebrating in Fort Scott. Happy birthday to Jeff. And Pat Bennett, last but not least, Pat wants you to have a marvelous birthday in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.